What is going on, guys? My name is Nuclear Gaming on Xbox, and today we'll be doing some FIFA pack openings. I've got at the moment 195k. I won't be doing the premium gold packs. I'll be doing the jumbo premium gold packs. I just think they're worth a bit more money, and just like 10k more for the premium gold player packs. So I'm going to be opening jumbo premium gold packs, and some of the packs I'll record, like with the Xbox One, with the Xbox One recording thing, whatever you call it, Xbox record. So yeah, let's get opening. Pack number 1. Yep, 15k. Sure would like to buy this pack. Yes, let me just focus this for it. Let's see if we get first pack. First pack, not the greatest. I'm a pretty big noob at FIFA at the moment, guys, so I don't really know anything. So you guys sitting out there play FIFA a lot, probably thinking, oh, he might be good, or he's probably shit, I'm not sure. So yeah. Okay, duplicates. Okay. I'm not really bothered. One sec, guys. I'll be back in a minute when I figure this out. I'm a bit of a noob. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's get back to the second one. Alright, see what we get this time. Nothing really special. Power band duplicate. Nothing much really. Okay. Yes, I know all of this. Sorry. What's it, guys? Sorry, guys. Here's the third pack. Here we get. Nothing good, really. Nothing good in that one. Okay. Right, fourth pack. Come on. Oh, damn. So we got an inform, which is pretty good. Castro. One sec, guys. I'm not sure how much he sells for. I'm a bit of a noob, so all my friends will ask after. Right, so this is the 5th pack. Come on, we're on a Team of the Year. Blue Guard. A few golds. The best. Okay, nothing really that one. No, I don't want to quick sell all my items. Sorry if there's any players that are like really awesome, guys, and I've not noticed. Parfan again? This is all I'm getting. Right. Fitness, got training, healing. 2,000 coins. Okay, Farfan again. Send all the club, yes, there'll be duplicates. Some of these items are duplicates. Unlock. Okay, I get 2,000 coins for free. Sweet. 5,000. Let's address on this. Okay, right. Right, let's go for the 6th one, I believe. Maybe 7th, I'm not sure, I think it's 6th. Come on. No. I don't think there's anything good at 85, not bad, I guess. What is he? He's a centre back. Right, I believe this is a centre back. Let's focus this. By the looks of it, contracts, fitness, healing, nothing much. Sorry about this, guys. Come on, give me team of the year. Player of the year, whatever it is. 79. 58 pace. Not the greatest. Anyway. Right. Yep. Come on, give us a play of the year, whatever it is called. The blue ones. The blue one. $81. Duplicates again. No, I don't want to quick sell my items. What's that, guys? Yeah, please. Got achievements or something. No, that was a bit of a crappy pack. Another duplicate. Okay. Yep. Right, we've got 2 more. Come on. Nothing brilliant. More duplicates. Yes, send all items to club. Yep, okay. Right. Right, so the last one, guys. Come on, give us good luck. Nah, I don't think these were that good either. Oh well, that's gonna round up my video. I mean, I didn't really get that much. I don't think that inform was the greatest, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not sure. He may be good. I'm not sure. Well, I'm all out of coins, as you can see. So, if you enjoyed the video, give a like. Make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment of what you want me to be doing next video, or whatever you want me to do. So, till then, guys. See you next time.